The right gadgets can transform any camping trip into a smooth and enjoyable adventure. This video highlights must-have outdoor gear designed to enhance convenience, safety, and efficiency. From solar-powered lights to compact multi-tools, these essentials help with navigation, cooking, and preparedness. Whether you're a weekend camper or an outdoor enthusiast, having the right tools ensures a hassle-free experience. Stay equipped and ready for any adventure with these must-have camping gadgets. The BRUTREK Double Shot 3.0 Travel Coffee French Press by Planetary Design is your portable solution for freshly brewed coffee wherever you go. Featuring the innovative Brew Stop Ultra Fine Mesh Press Screen, this 16 fluid ounces mug ensures a smooth, flavorful cup without the bitterness. Its rugged, spill-proof design includes a textured, non-slip finish, a laser-welded handle, and a twist-off storage base for extra grounds. The insulated stainless steel keeps your coffee hot for hours while protecting your hands from heat. Ideal for long commutes, outdoor adventures, or busy workdays. This BPA-free French press is perfect for those who want quality coffee on the move. Hand wash recommended for long-lasting performance. This ultimate garden knife is the ultimate tool for gardening, camping, and outdoor tasks. Featuring a heat-treated 4CR13 stainless steel double-edged blade with both straight and serrated edges, this versatile knife excels at weeding, digging, and cutting. Its durable walnut handle provides a comfortable, ambidextrous grip, making it ideal for both left and right-handed users. The blade includes 1-inch markings for easy depth measurement, adding extra functionality for planting and weeding. This multi-purpose tool also doubles as a twine cutter and bottle opener. The heavy-duty 900D polyester sheath with copper rivets ensures safe storage and quick access, making this garden knife a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. For reliable access to purified water anytime, anywhere, the GRAYL GEOPRESS 24-ounce water purifier bottle has you covered. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and emergency preparedness, it removes harmful pathogens like viruses, bacteria, and protozoa, while also filtering out particulates, chemicals, heavy metals, and unpleasant odors. With its easy-to-use, press and drink mechanism, this purifier requires no pumps, batteries, or long waits, making it ideal for hiking, camping, or global travel. The replaceable purifier cartridge filters up to 65 gallons of water, ensuring long-lasting reliability in survival situations or natural disasters. Enjoy pure, fresh water from any source, quickly, efficiently, and without hassle. PYRO Putty is the ultimate survival tool for emergency situations, designed to light fires in any weather conditions. This waterproof fire starter burns for up to 15 minutes from a small, quarter-sized piece, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Its malleable formula sticks to logs, sticks, and other surfaces, ensuring it can be used in various environments. Non-toxic and reliable, PYRO Putty is a must-have addition to any survival kit. Whether you're in the rain, snow, or floating in water, you can count on this compact fire starter to deliver dependable performance. With an unlimited shelf life, it's always ready when you need it most. The IRONCLAD Ranchworks leather gloves offer exceptional durability and comfort for tough outdoor and work tasks. The patented palm design and seamless roll-top fingertips provide a perfect fit for superior dexterity. With reinforced DuraClad points and Kevlar reinforcements, these gloves are built to withstand harsh environments. The ExoGuard knuckle protection adds extra defense against impact, ensuring safety in demanding conditions. Made with machine-washable bullwhip leather, they are easy to maintain while providing lasting performance. Ideal for ranching, construction, or any heavy-duty work, these gloves deliver the ultimate protection and comfort. This multifunctional camping fan is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts, combining a fan, LED lantern, and aroma diffuser in one compact device. It's perfect for your camping, hiking, or emergency survival needs. The built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 35 hours of fan use or 240 hours of lighting, with 3 fan speeds and adjustable brightness settings. Its portable design includes a hook for easy hanging inside tents, a Versus, or even a car. With whisper quiet operation and 360 degrees rotation, it keeps you cool and well lit during outdoor adventures, while the compact size ensures it's easy to carry on the go. The Tailgater Tire Table is an innovative solution for outdoor meals and work on the go. This steel camping table easily mounts to your vehicle's tire with no tools required, offering a stable surface regardless of ground conditions. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or enjoying a roadside picnic, this table is ready for any adventure. It holds up to 50 pounds and includes a retractable leg for additional support when needed. The powder-coated steel construction ensures it stands up to the elements, and its compact design makes it easy to carry, weighing under 13 pounds. With a size of 29 by 23 inches, it offers ample space for your gear while being portable enough for all types of travel. Stay fresh on your adventures with Shower Pouch XL Body Wipes, designed to clean and refresh adults from head to toe. These extra-large 2-inch by 1-inch heatable wipes are perfect for wiping away dirt, sweat, and odors without the sticky residue left by baby wipes. Hypoallergenic and soothing with aloe, they're gentle on your skin and free from parabens and harsh chemicals. Reusable and machine washable, these wipes are built for multiple uses, making them an eco-friendly choice. Ideal for hiking, camping, or any outdoor activity, one wipe is enough to cover your whole body, leaving you feeling clean and refreshed. The ETEKCITY LED lantern is an essential camping light and emergency tool for any outdoor enthusiast. Equipped with 30 LED bulbs, it provides 360 degrees illumination with up to 154 lumens of brightness. Compact and lightweight, this collapsible lantern is perfect for hiking, camping, or during power outages. It's easy to use. Simply expand or collapse to control the light intensity. Powered by 3 AA batteries, it offers up to 50 hours of light, making it ideal for long-lasting use during emergencies. Durable, water-resistant, and FCC certified, this lantern can withstand drops and harsh weather conditions. Store your small items like keys or batteries in its built-in storage compartment for added convenience. The HELINOX Chair Zero is a compact, ultra-light camping chair designed for maximum portability and comfort. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's smaller than a bottle of water when packed, making it the perfect choice for backpackers and hikers. Constructed from advanced DAC aluminum alloy, it supports up to 265 pounds while maintaining strength without the extra weight. The seat is made from durable, machine-washable ripstop polyester, ensuring it resists wear from harsh weather and UV exposure. Assembly is quick and easy thanks to the single internal bungee cord system, and when set up, the chair offers a comfortable 8.5 inches seat height. Ideal for outdoor activities where every ounce counts, the HELINOX Chair Zero comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind. With the STANLEY Adventure All-in-One French Press, enjoy effortless boiling, brewing, and cooking, making it the perfect companion for your camping and outdoor adventures. With a 32 ounces capacity, it's perfect for making coffee or heating soup. Built from rugged, BPA-free 18 by 8 stainless steel, it's built to withstand campfire cooking and fast heating over a stove. The compact, foldable handle makes it easy to pack, saving valuable space in your backpack. Use it to boil water, add coffee grounds, and press for a smooth brew. This durable French press is backed by a lifetime warranty, a testament to STANLEY's commitment to quality. Enjoy a fresh cup of coffee wherever your adventures take you. The THXTOMS LED flashlight gloves offer the perfect solution for hands-free lighting, making them an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and DIYers. Whether you're camping, fishing, or repairing in the dark, these gloves provide a third helping hand by illuminating your work area. The gloves are made from soft, elastic fabric with adjustable Velcro straps to ensure a perfect fit. Powered by replaceable CR2016 batteries, they offer bright, durable lighting for a variety of tasks. Ideal for any occasion, these multifunctional gloves make working in low light easier and more efficient. Perfect for outdoor adventures, home repairs, and all your nighttime activities. Ending our list, the Max Multipurpose Toolkit stands as a durable, versatile solution for all your camping, hunting, gardening, and off-roading needs. Built to last with a 34-inch polypropylene handle and 1060 high-carbon steel attachments, this toolkit can handle any tough job. from clearing paths to digging out vehicles. Its versatile design includes a shovel, pick, broad pick, and mattock, making it ideal for any outdoor task. The toolkit is ANSI certified and military grade, used by the U.S. Army on light tactical vehicles and high multipurpose wheeled vehicles. Proudly made in the USA, it meets U.S. Forest Service specifications, ensuring top-notch quality and durability. Whether you're preparing for an outdoor adventure or need a reliable tool for everyday tasks, the Max Toolkit is ready for anything. That's a wrap on the ultimate outdoor gadgets every camper needs. Which gadget caught your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic camping hacks, and turn on notifications so you're always prepared for the next adventure. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the great outdoors.